dun sa produkto. Mas mahal, mapamahal. Do, hindi na, yun na lang, we just talk it over na lang. Talk it over and hope for the future na pag lumaki kayo, so far naman yung mga malalaki, they started with us. So far, nandyan pa rin naman sila kahit napapaano. Si Mr. Navarro, Mr. Navarro started with me, yung taba ng talangka. Si Mr. Navarro, actually, we met sa Pilfodex. We met both sides. Sabi ko, I just commented on dun sa label. Sabi ko, you can improve this because pero you have to invest a little. Huwag yung computer. Mabuti, naniwala naman. So, sabi niya, konting volume. Ngayon, sa SM na siya. Happy naman ako sa kanya at nandun na rin. So, yun lang po. So, I'm a printer.
Basically. I'm a printer.
Maybe call you Nancy. Kasi nothing formal here, no? Wala tayong mga sermon or whatever. We just
print ka ba ng pera? Ayan.
Now, Nancy, ganito, no? Kasi some of our members are really in need of printers and people in the packaging and labeling. Not only here, but I can connect you with the Philippine Chamber of Commerce, okay, in Cavite, because I am the Vice President there handling education and development. So, pag magturo ako sa kanila, if you would give me your card so that I could have, pwede i-recommend. Para, and then, saka sa PTTC, we also teach here, so pwede ka namin i-air dito, pwede ka namin i-recommend.
And pwede ka rin maging member ng aming grupo.
Yeah, and this is precisely what the PAPTA is all about. This is an organization of people in business, regardless of what, that are helping each other towards having a unique product of the Philippines. So you have a printing shop. Maybe you could give us a very unique packaging and labeling. So we now invite you. But however, we have some courses that yun lang kailangan sa inyo. Anything that would apply, yun lang ang requirement ng PAPTA for your improvement also. But you take it here at PTTC. Okay, yun lang kailangan. Pag hindi naman, hindi. Mga basic lang yun actually. Tayo rin na makikita doon. Tayo rin na magbubulha. So,